Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package that I'm going to do some unwrapping on. I've already opened it up, but I have just taken it this far. This is from Firmoo. I don't know if you guys have heard about them, but they are an online glasses company, and they reached out to me and asked me if I could do a review of their glasses, and in return they gave me a discount off of my glasses. So it says make a YouTube video to share your experience on trying Firmoo glasses and share the specific glasses offer we provided in detail. So I will share a glasses offer for you guys in the details down below, and it will be in the description box. And I'm just trying to make sure I'm doing what it says. It says Firmoo's mission is to provide better vision to people around the world at a cheap price. So let's go ahead and look at it. It comes in this really nice bag. There's something else in here. Oh, there is a little glasses like repair kit. This is a screwdriver, and then it has the little baby screws, and then this I believe you could also use as a glass cleaner. Oh my goodness, look at this case. This is really pretty. And I'm going to open it, and here are my glasses, and then there is a cloth, a cleansing cloth on the inside, so you wouldn't have to use this, but you could use two different things, I guess, for your glasses case. Although this is very nice. I like this a lot. So here are my glasses. Let's go ahead and try those on. I gave them my prescription. Oh, those are very nice. I hope that they look all right. I think they're kind of cute. Something different, and I thought that since I was getting such a steep discount that I would use, and I could have gotten them for free. I just chose a couple extra, I think just maybe one extra thing that had me pay for them, but I didn't have to pay much. And look at the cute detailing on this. It has little silver things on the bottom and then silver up here, and it's I can't see to tell you. When you're used to wearing glasses, it's crazy. So it has little like bumps on it, and it's very nice. They seem to fit right out of the case, which is unusual because sometimes glasses are a little bit, you know, wonky one way or the other, but I kind of like these. I think they're kind of cute, and better than that, I can see really well with these, so that is nice. My problem is that my vision is poor close to, I don't know what that's called. I never remember if it's nearsighted or farsighted, but like I can't read things or I can't see detail on things without my glasses. But I don't have to have them to drive, and I don't have to have them to look far away at things, like if I'm looking at the TV or a movie or a whiteboard at work. I usually do this to my glasses so that I can see over, or if I'm at a movie or something, I will just take them off. But and you guys have seen me driving without my glasses on, and that's because I can see better with them. But the street lights and stuff, or street signs, I'd have to have my glasses on to see. It's crazy. So I'm in one of those times that it's kind of like I look over my glasses, but for the most part, I just wear them, I would say 90% of the time, because I do like them. I like having them on better, just so I can see things close, which is, I guess, what I normally do. To read and all of that, it's way better. So these are really nice. I really like them. I think they're cute. I like the clear at the bottom and the dark at the top. I like them so much I might even use the discount and get myself another pair. So it did say if I could tell you guys what the discount was to do that. So let me see if I can find it really quick, so that I can share that with you guys. Oh, except for I went to the wrong thing, of course. And I have my glasses on. It's opening. But yeah, I kind of like these. So you can tell me what you think below. Just be nice, because if you have something mean to say, I don't like it. Oh, it's making me enter my password. Oh, no, it's not. It actually had it saved. I just went too fast. Okay, so let me find it. And the shipping was super quick on it too. There. I'm trying to, so it's $4.95 a pair for the first order, and I will leave that below so that you can partake in that as well. I mean, that's a really great deal. I think that shipping is about $10, and yeah, I think that you guys will really like them. The glasses are very nice. I like them. I think they're stylish. They had lots of choices. I literally had like, I don't know, 15 in my favorites, and then I had to narrow it down and narrow it down, and there were two that I really, really liked, and I ended up getting this one. So I hope that you guys will give it a try. There is no pair that's more than $39. I think that's what it said. No pair is more than $39. And if you have your prescription, you just enter that in. If you don't have it, you do need it so that you can get that going. But what a great deal. So I hope that you guys try them. And again, it's Firmoo, F-I-R-M-O-O. I will leave the link below so that you can try them out for yourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye.